Alright, let's go gas up my cars. I just filled up this one. This is the Honda Fit. I didn't film it, didn't have my camera. Not a big deal, nothing exciting. But the issue with owning 3 cars is getting gas for all of them. So let's go get the BRZ and let's go get some gas for that thing. And let's go fit the wheels and coilovers in there because I hope it fits. It should fit. But I gotta go drop off the car and get the wheels mounted, coils installed, and in alignment. So I'm taking that to a shop in a few days. So let's go prep that. All right, we're in the BRZ. It's about like 25% left. So let's go get some gas for this thing. Second car down. Okay, let's fill it up. Ooh, it's cold. All right, almost a full tank. I'll take it. With these gas prices, I don't drive this car that much either, so. All right, let's go get the GTR. I lied. Before I get the GTR, I'm gonna see if those wheels will fit in here with this box. I think I'm gonna put the box here and then put the wheels in the back. Hopefully it fits. If not, I may have to take this out of the box, which I don't want to do. I have to take it out of the box. I will, but I don't want to. Okay. Let's see if four sets of T's will fit in this small ass car. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is take out the coils, fit the wheels in there. Yeah, let's get to that. You guys are not gonna believe that. Holy. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but it's like, okay, I can't see out of the back. Everything fits back there. That's insane. And there's still a little bit more space right around here. That's crazy. Okay. I'm so excited to put on those wheels and the coils. Okay. I will see y'all in the next clip.
Thousands of tears later.
All right, it's the next day. No, it's been a few days. I wasn't able to gas up the GTR, and I'll explain that in a quick second, maybe the next few clips. But something happened when I was taking it out. I'm an idiot. I fucked it up a little bit, so I'll show you guys that in a second. But anyways, made it to another shop. It's called Driven. Unfortunately, next model was fully booked up until the end of May, so I wanted to get this done ASAP. So yeah, I'm here. I'm gonna drop it off, and when I come back, hopefully the new wheels should be on. Catching that one. That looks so good. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait to drive this thing. That is low. Hold on a second. Oh, these look so good. I cannot get over this. That looks amazing. Oh, I gotta go for a drive. It looks so good. I am in love with this thing right now. I can't. Yo. Okay, so actually the rear was scraping a little bit because I had all the tires in there, so I offloaded it. I put it in my friend's Fit Golf R. But anyway, oh my god. Oh, there's a beef. Oh, there's a beef. Woo. That looks so good. Oh man. And it handles 10 times better now. Like, it just feels a lot better, more planted to the ground, if that makes sense. Also, it's 255 35 with tires. So on Indy 500s, oh, it looks so good. I cannot believe how good it looks. What I like a lot is, like, you can kind of see it poking out from the rear too, like this angle, and then you can kind of see the wheel poking out, which is so cool. Oh man, It's coming together. It's coming together. All right, so quick little update. We found this really cool spot. Hey, what's up? Long time no see. Damn, this place is so cool. Careful, get your car.
Move my cigarette. Wait, go move my car. Just go move my car.
What?
I'm smoking.
I'm dogging.
Okay, hold my cigarette.
The only thing is the beer does rub a little bit. So, well, I feel like there's one finger gap here. So that should be okay, right? We'll see. It's also gonna settle more as well. Oh, it looks so good. But the one thing I love about Coils is how well the car handles now. Like, it's 10 times better. Slowly, it's becoming the car that I want. Like the BRZ I've always wanted. Oh, it's such a good car. Damn. Alright. Today, working on this thing. I want to install a battery tender kind of quick release, quick connect for my other battery tender. Because normally, I don't drive that often, and it's always on tender because these batteries, the battery on the GTR is pretty small, and this thing just drains the battery. So that's why I got a quick connect so I can just plug it in pretty easily. You know what I mean? I gotta disconnect the battery, install it, but I actually dropped something into the engine bay I gotta get out. Let me show you. I actually dropped this red cover down in there. So I gotta take out the battery and figure that out. So in order to take off the battery, I gotta take out this shroud and this shroud here, and just kind of comes off. So let me do that. I got it. This damn part dropped into that far little space down there, right in there. I'm gonna put on the quick connect and then put the battery back, and then we're done. I was scared that this was gonna stay there and it would melt and cause a fire. So that's why I haven't been driving this thing, because I got scared. But since I'm in it, I'm gonna give it a good clean. Look at all this little dust here and stuff. Yeah, let me clean this up. No, I lied. This better not fall back in there again. Yeah, now it's perfect. Done. I'm so happy I got that out. I was stressing so much about that. Let me show what I got next for the GTR. I got these from a friend. These are tux mats. I'm gonna give them a good clean. Did the fronts only, and to be fair, I just need the fronts. Let's give them a good clean. All cleaned. Let's go put them in the GTR. Actually, I'm gonna wait for them to dry. Ooh, I think my friend. Oh, that's nice. Is this one still on? No, this one's off. Dang it. Done. These tux mats are amazing. I like how they come up pretty high to protect, like, here. I'm not sponsored, by the way. This was a gift from a friend. Yeah, these are pretty damn good. Let's check the driver's side. Hopefully you can see that. Yep, these are great. Like, it comes up all the way over here, all the way down here. Doesn't move at all. Perfect, easy to clean. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for coming on that little venture of mine. I'm pretty hyped about the BRZ, the coils, the wheels, everything looks so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy when it came out. The only issue was that the front end links were seized, so we had to rush order some new ones same day, and it was installed. So luckily that went well. It was only $100, so that was good. Great shop, freaking perfect. I just gotta go back for alignment, drive it for a little bit, so I'll be doing that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate the support so much. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and drive safe.